Vowels from the alphabets, we call them by their names. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. We call them by their names. Hello, juniors, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with a brand new video. In this video, we will learn the concept of A and N. In this video, we will learn either we will write A or N to other words. I mean before other words. Alright, first of all, A is used with consonants, right? And N is used for vowels. Now the question is, what is consonants and what is vowel, right? In my previous video, we have learned vowels and consonant. I discussed in details about vowel and consonant letters. Now, for example, I will write here a word that is B-A-T, bat. Which word is this? Bat. B-A-T, bat. Very good. Now, the first letter of bat is B. Very good. The first letter of bat is B. Now tell me, B is a consonant or vowel? B is a consonant. So we will write a bat, not an bat. It's wrong. We will write a bat. Now I will write here another word. Which word is this? Onion. Which word is this? Onion. The first letter of onion is O. The first letter of onion is O. O is a vowel or consonant? Vowel. Very good. So we will write an onion. We will write an onion. Now I have another examples that are A is for consonant and N is for vowel. Well, which word is this? L-A-M-P, lamp. The first letter of lamp is L. L is a consonant. A lamp, a door. House, a house, a bag, a tomato. Now these are vowels letter, as the first letter of these word are vowel. Now an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. Now I have a worksheet for you to check your concept. Alright, write A or N before the names. These are the name. We will write A or N according to these words. The first word is car. C-A-R. Car. Very good. The first letter of car is C. C is a vowel or consonant? You tell me this one. Very good. Consonant. So we will write a car, aeroplane, aeroplane. The first letter of aeroplane is A. A is a vowel or consonant? Very good. Consonant. So we will write an aeroplane. Which word is this? You can see the picture. Parrot. The first letter of parrot is P. P is vowel or consonant? Very good. Consonant. So we will write a A parrot. Next one is hat. Which word is this? Hat. H is a vowel or consonant. Very good. So we will write A. Now doll. Doll is a vowel or consonant. First thing you should keep in your mind, you have to see the first letter of any word before write A or M. If the first letter of word is a vowel, so you will write an. If the first letter of word is a consonant, so you will be write a doll, and baby, a baby. Very good, a baby. Now, an apple, a apple. An apple, a apple. Very good. An apple. An mouse, a mouse. An mouse, a mouse. A mouse. Very good. Rabbit. What about rabbit? An rabbit, or rabbit. The first letter of rabbit is R. R is a vowel or consonant. Consonant. So we will write a rabbit. Alright. These are last two. Snake. A snake and snake. Very good. A snake. Elephant. An elephant or elephant. Sorry. An elephant or elephant. Very good. An elephant. You did well.